Okie dokie, let me give you the solution for the exercise. So in here, I'm going to do it from scratch so you see how I would do it. But what I'm going to do is Command C on customer, paste that, name this fraud, and in here for fraud, I'm going to perform a control, search and replace. So I'm going to replace customer with fraud and then replace all under the fraud folder. There we go. You can see that all replaced. Then the port will be 8081. Open up deployment. And here, let's just make one replica and for customer as well. So one replica. And as I said, in production, you want to have maybe 3 at least. So here, go back to deployment and the image is fraud. Container port, this is 8081. And there we go. Let's do the same for notification. Command C on fraud, name it notification, and then perform a search and replace. And you can see the keyboard shortcut down below. So this time this will be notification. And instead of customer, this will be fraud. Replace all, replace, and then for the port in here, this will be 8082. Open up deployment, notification latest, that's the correct image, and then the port is 8083. And to be honest, this is it. Next, let's apply these YAMLs. So if I cd into K8s, and let's also cd into Minikube. So here within Minikube, say kubectl apply -f, and I want to apply services. Let's first apply customer. So we one replica now. There we go. Let's also do the same for fraud. There we go. And now for notification. Awesome. Now you can see that we have a service which was created for both fraud and notification, and the service for customer wasn't changed because we didn't change anything there, but the deployment was configured because we changed the replicas down to 1. Now let me say get pods, kubectl get pods, and have a look. So this is kind of cool. We have notification right here, which is up and running, and also fraud, which is up and running, and customer now is back to 1 replica. Let's have a look at the logs. So kubectl logs, and then the name of the pod. So let's try fraud first. There we go. You can see that Tomcat started on port 8081, which is cool. And you can see the create table, fraud check history. Let's check the logs for notification as well. So get pods. This is notification, and logs for notification. And check this out. So notification is also up and running. Right here, started. You can see create table notification, and also we managed to connect to RabbitMQ in here. So new connection created, which is really, really cool. All right, next, let's go ahead and see how we're going to test all of this to make sure that indeed the application is working as it should.